Firefly. So when I actually came here for the first time, so I wasn't aware about the session Firefly. I really didn't know. So once when I came here for the sound healing, and later on when Abhishek said you should actually go through these things and you should experience it, I was having a fear every time. Whenever I sit in front of the interview or something, fear was there. What will happen? But now it's not like that, and there are lots of opportunities coming. The opportunities which were like stuck 2 months back, that they are calling and they are asking me. So that was something which was very new to me and shocking. So when I came here, static. So it was kind of like I had lots of self-doubt, self-work. I used to feel very low, lots of anxiety. Things were not working according to me. Let it be the career thing or the love. Right? So it was not. So the first session when I actually came for this sound healing, and it was the wonderful thing which I really liked it, and I wanted to go further with that. And then I actually went through this crystal healing. I actually felt that vibration. I still sense that. I can think about that. It was really good. Later on, it was an online session for Akashic reading, and then I met this inner child healing, and I was so happy with the experience, and lots of positivity things, and so many things they actually shared, and I practiced those, and that was really helpful. I can't explain that journey, what I was actually going through. It was really nice. Then there was one session with the naturopathy where I have to improve my eating skills and what all I have to change. Yeah, the cutting session. That was also wonderful. That was again a different thing for me, and I really felt good after that. That was a very nice section according. Yeah, and again the sound healing, which I went through last week. It was wow. And that vibration also, I could feel that, the energy flowing. I could actually sense that and I could feel that happiness. And there's lots and lots of change in me. My career thing, I could actually sense the changes happening around. So these things, everyone has to experience it. It is really nice.